Hey everyone, I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today I'm going to be tackling my mom's bathroom and organizing it from scratch. From everyday use, moving into a new home, or maybe just organization hasn't been your thing. I hope today's video brings you ideas and inspiration to tackle your very next organization space. I wanted to help my mom out with her bathroom so that she could enjoy a functional, practical, and aesthetically pleasing space. You will see the complete before and after, the products, and each steps I took to organize her bathroom. Organization and the end result looks great, but did you know that decluttering can do more for your health than you realize, like reduce stress and increase productivity? Not only that, but you will feel so happy with yourself with what you were able to do. Take time to sort through it all and determine what stays and what goes. By decluttering your living spaces, you can decrease housework to by 40%. Now always begin by removing all items and performing a deep clean. You will be surprised of all the many things you will have. Sometimes unopened and unused items are found, and you'll be shocked to notice products you never even knew were there. This is where things get fun and exciting because you're beginning to create new and updated spaces. Before purchasing any containers, I measure the space I'm going to be working with to know how many containers I can add in the cabinets or drawers. This helps me to know how many of each container or bin I will add and makes the process of organizing much smoother. As part of bringing you all this bathroom organizing video and organizing personal care products, I wanted to share a quick story with everyone. Over the years, I've gotten many compliments on my hair, and I want to thank you all so much. Many people have asked what products I use and have asked to share with them. However, the reality is that my hair isn't perfect, you guys. I've experienced hair loss at times and even breakage. I don't like to use a lot of hair products or even use hot tools on my hair every day like many would think. I'm very selective and careful with what I put on my hair. My hair loss and breakage had been so frustrating at times that I even asked friends and family what they were using for their own hair to see if their methods would help me. I also spent time researching different hair products and bought them to try, but just could never really improve what I was going through. I started using the Kitsch rice water shampoo and conditioner bars, and I have noticed a significant improvement in the strength, growth, and shine of my hair. I was able to learn and experience that these bars include rice water as an ingredient, and this contains essential amino acids and vitamins that stimulate hair growth. Rice water is rich in proteins and helps to strengthen hair, improves hair texture, and balances the scalp. Rice water also smooths the hair cuticle, resulting in softer hair and less frizz. All of these great benefits I was immediately able to notice within my first wash. I love how Kitsch's bars have no sulfates, parabens, or phthalates. This was perfect as I was wanting to limit the amount of ingredients I use on my hair and scalp. They are also scented with therapeutic essential oils, and this transformed my showering into a relaxing experience as if I was at the spa. The shower caddy has been perfect to organize and store my bars, but this also has promoted a better environment as the shampoo and conditioner doesn't have to be stored in plastic bottles. They are Leaping Bunny certified, vegan, and cruelty-free. If you're looking to get stronger, shinier, and healthy hair like I have been able to experience, I truly recommend you give Kitsch a try. With just the first wash, you'll begin to experience exactly what Kitsch Products has done for me. By using the link in my description box or my code Linda, you can get 25% off your first order. Kitsch ships in the US and internationally to over 27 countries, including Canada, the UK, Australia, New Zealand, and more. Since I know you all will be loving these bars, save even more through their available subscription discount. Give Kitsch a try today. Now back to organizing. I want to thank everyone who joined me today along this bathroom organization video. I hope you were able to gather ideas and motivation to tackle your next project. Don't forget to like, comment below, and share this video with your friends and family. To strengthen and improve texture and shine for your hair, don't forget to try the Kitsch hair products I mentioned earlier. Click my link in the description box below or use my code Linda and save 25% off your first order. Have an amazing day. Take care.